Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot change App Store country because of Apple Music. If you are using any iPhone and you are having an issue that you cannot change your country or region due to your Apple Music, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Open settings, go for general, go for transfer, or go for VPN device management. You have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected your VPN, so you just have to retry to change your country or region in your app store, or if you're still having the same issue, you just have to go for general, go for transfer, reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and enter your passcode, reset all of your network settings, and it will not release the data. So after that, if there will be any error or any issue into your network setting, it will be fixed in the step. And then you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update available. But once you have checked all of them, it will fix your issue and you can easily change your country or region. If this doesn't work for you, you have to open settings, go for Apple ID, go for subscriptions here, and here you have to make sure that you are not subscribed to anything, especially for Apple Music. Or if you're subscribed for Apple Music, try to cancel your subscription, so it will fix your issues. In this way you can easily fix if you cannot change your app store country or region due to your Apple Music. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.